Meaning of help the aged.
Help the aged.
Help the aged.
Help the aged.
Help the aged. Help the Aged is a British charity organisation that works to improve the lives of older people who may face isolation, poverty, and poor health. Through its various programs and services, the organization seeks to provide support for the elderly in areas such as housing, healthcare, and social activities. With a focus on promoting dignity and independence for older individuals, Help the Aged aims to ensure that aging is a positive experience for everyone. Overall, this organization plays a vital role in advocating for the rights and needs of the elderly within British society.